You gonna have to stand up. Get some use in it now. Here. Here you go. Pocket knife. I got that for free a while back. Careful. Pull. There you go.
Oh shoot! What's this?
What pocket knife is this?
I got it for free. Got it a while ago. When Jonathan got his samurai sword a couple years ago, it came along with it. I call it my Mighty Morphin Power Ranger knife. Careful with it.
Skin's never been so soft and radiant. Introducing Sheer Ribbons Lotion from Gold Bond Ultimate. 7 moisturizers, 3 vitamins, plus natural silk and pearl extract. For softness I can feel, radiance I can see. New Sheer Ribbons, only from Gold Bond
I think she's doing the side.
Fold it back in.
I got it. Thank you. You gotta press the button. Yeah, I get it. Go ahead.